What's up, guys? Here we go again. Back-to-back videos, guys. Episode 5 Template Club. I'm Matt with the funnelbuildertool.com, and in this video, we're going to be remaking this membership site from scratch. Okay, and actually, we're doing a beautification because it's a template I've already made that's already in the back office for those who are involved with the Funnel Builder tool. I'm just going through and doing a little bit of beautification. For those who don't know, the Funnel Builder tool is a $25 funnel builder that is very comparable to all the $97 billers out there. And in some ways, it's even better, okay? Whether you want opt-in pages, sales pages, lead pages, membership sites, sell a product, upsell, downsell, appointment booking, e-commerce. This is where most of the funnel builders out there do not have e-commerce. You can have an e-commerce shop, and you can have e-commerce like a cart funnel where you sell a product. Maybe you like a weight loss product and you want to redirect to some kind of continuity membership training video program. I'm aligned, you can do that, okay? For $25, okay? It does not scale, it's $25 completely. And what I'm doing is rebuilding templates from scratch, showing people who want to know how I build pages, because I do them very well, my process that I go through when I build pages, okay? And if you're just interested in templates, you guys can get this one for free as long as all the other videos, templates and all the other videos for Template Club for free as a bonuses for joining up for the builder, which is $25, okay? And we're running the series to 25 videos. It's gonna be 25 real-time page builds. And eventually we might start doing these videos live, okay? We'll see, but let's go and get started. Let me pull up the display. Okay, it looks a little bit better when it's bigger. Throw myself in the corner there. I got to set up OBS with some scenes, so I got to keep doing this manually, but yeah, this is the page here. And the page we're beautifying is already a template that's already in the back office that I've made sometime last year, the membership sites, okay? It just didn't port over well, so it doesn't look the best, so we're just going to go through and revitalize it. All these templates here are the ones that I've created last year. So I'm probably gonna go through and just reskin every one of these eventually, okay? Just to make them look a little bit better. Because people may see these templates and, you know, they're using the global styles that from probably when Mike uploaded it. So the colors didn't match up exactly the way the template was built. So you just gotta learn how to just change things up, and you can make things that look okay to make them look fantastic. And that's what we're gonna do here on this video. So I kind of try to find out which one we used. Pretty sure it's this template. Okay, this is where we're gonna host all these videos for Template Club, as well as tips and trainings for other stuff. Okay, the one thing off the bat is what I did is I made it wider. Okay, we can do that in the global styling by going to page layout, and we could actually make it the template bigger, okay? The problem is I got other templates that are using a smaller setting. So we're gonna manually make it wide using one of my tricks. Okay, so first off, we're just gonna add in a code widget. You don't gotta know anything about code, guys. This is me being extra. I don't want to change it for all my sites. This is how you guys can do that. If you ever wanted to have a different width for a different page that's inside your funnel. Okay, so we're just going to put in grid, content, max width. I can't remember how big it was. Let's get the measuring tool. 1400 pixels, and we got to put this important tag. We're kind of overriding what it's actually set at, and that should make the whole page wider. Okay, if you only wanted to do that trick for one block, you would just name it. Would just say skybox. For the CSS class, custom CSS class, You just put in that box, and it would only target the one section if I had done it right. Somewhere I messed up, but even if this goes over your head, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because I'm doing all these things for you inside of the template. And you guys can see here that it did it just for that one block. Okay? So that's extra. That's me being extra. Let's go ahead and get into the page design. You don't need to know anything about this to build this template. And it's actually already built. Okay? So all we're doing is doing the beautification. This is one thing a lot of people come to me for. We already have a website that's already built, just not looking right. And hire me to beautify it with my style. Okay, so first off, just change this background to my brand color. Okay, we're gonna put in my logo. I do not have downloaded. 1 second. This was all made in Canva. Let's go ahead and upload my logo. Now, I made these templates when I was pretty new. Just started getting very good at the builder. There's little things that I don't do anymore that I did here. Like having this as 3 columns, this will definitely be 2. Put in the brand color, okay? Throw in some regular text. And if you need to contact me for any kind of work, email me at this email here. Make it white so you can see. Matthew@thefunnelbuildertool.com. And then we're going to just position it all the way right. And we're going to put in a little bit of margin. Then we're going to bold it. Okay, move it along. I'm gonna take this text here. Looks like enter. Page 3, gonna be enter. Something like that, but it's actually gonna decrease the width here. You got a background as well. Since we got different sections, we're going to use the background in a different part of the website. We're going to go to global styling, click on page styles. We're going to add in the background here, which is basically the global background for the whole website. Don't use this often, but we do. And we want it as a fixed background, so it just stays in place when we scroll. And because we added that in there, we got to decrease the colors background. Excellent. Okay, we're going to put in my picture, which is the Canva template we'll have included with this template. If you guys want to put your picture in, it's fine. What else do we do? Instructor is already there. Enter. It is the brand color. Excellent. This is also the brand color. A little bit lighter. Can't really see anyways. We're gonna make this one the brand color as well. which I'm not sure if we actually use that. Let's just go through and first we're going to edit these. What did we say this was? Getting started, best practices. Okay, the next section was template club episodes. So the plan is that this basically put these episodes available on this kind of like a blog membership site. So people want to go through them, people that find something out of these videos, this is where they can find them. Recommended tools. I do got a few tools that I use outside of the funnel builder. For instance, the video players I use, you might have seen in other videos. I'm gonna do review videos on those as well. I also got some pretty good services for video hosting for membership sites. That's pretty much pennies per month. Unless you got a big membership area like HBA, then that would be more, but you can really get video hosting for dirt cheap. You know where to look. Then finally, we got funnel hacks and scripts. This is where we're gonna show all those little tricks like the one I just did here, where I decreased or made the page wider. We'll show people how to do that stuff. Where people dare code. Not really coding, basic CSS. Once you start knowing these things, you pick them up. And a lot of times I only use code for one reason, to speed myself up. Like sometimes I might have 6, 12, 14, videos and stacked in a row. Instead of, styling each little video individually, I can just put in a little code and get it the way I want. And when you know these things, it does help productivity. And that's mainly for those who are creating templates and working for other people. You guys are just interested in templates. You just got to select the template you want, put in your content, you're good to go. And we're on episode 5. So we are going to be going to 25. And you can get these templates for free as a bonus for joining up to the Funnel Builder tool. Okay, that looks good. What else do we change? We have this as bold. This is a lighter shade of the brand color. I'm gonna go up like that. Whoop, and highlighted. That's fine. Copy. We're just gonna add in some random text here just to like what we have. Was not aligned. Line left. Old. There we go. We want to make this width of the text. Okay, so we're good there. So this is kind of like a blog. I guess we could treat it like a blog, because we are going to be updating videos till we get to 25, and then after that we'll just do more videos. Okay, 25 is the goal. Okay, so by the end of next year we might be at like 100, 200 templates, because I cranking out these videos like 4 or 5 at a time, guys. So just to offer better value, the idea is you're paying $25 for a funnel builder that you can do a lot with. Okay, I designed custom pages and 25 custom made templates from a master builder, free as a bonus. Is $1 a piece basically. When you figure in the cost of the builder, I think it's a great value, right? And if you are interested in getting this builder at any time, go to funnelbuildertool.com. We'd love to have you. We also got the training community, mentorship community, group coaching where you learn how to get traffic, conversions, and leads. Because you can have nice templates, but at the end of the day, you need to learn how to convert traffic into sales. Otherwise, you just have a nice website no one visits. Okay. I'm gonna use 22 here. I'm gonna use 22 for all of these. I like big text. Okay, so that's that. What else did we do? We have this as very light purple. Have it. We're just gonna eyeball it. Okay, we're gonna copy this so I don't gotta do the styles for each one. Now, this is an example where I would use some code, just so I don't gotta do this for each single one, but we're just copying, which works also. You do gotta delete every one of these, which does take time too. Now I wouldn't have this many resources per video anyways, so we're just gonna use one row. We're gonna make it the same width. Okay, let's go ahead and change the buttons. There would not be a previous lesson because this is episode 1. So we're just gonna change the link to a pound symbol. Next lesson would be episode 2. If we're at episode 1, we would suggest the links when we copy this page over. Okay. And then the footer is going to be purple as well. I think what I did for the footer was basically the same as was what I did the header. Means I can actually just copy it. Okay, we did use social icons. I'm gonna copy this. I forgot to put the brand color in for the buttons. You know, a lot of people, they say they don't know what kind of colors to use. What you need to do is just go online, find other people's colors, and then take them. Okay, so what I use, I think I showed you this video, is the eyedropper tool. You see some colors on a website you like, just basically create a new canvas and just use this tool to get those colors. Yeah, you can also search for color schemes that are already made. There's whole forums and Pinterest dedicated to color theory. Okay, that's one of the things I see a lot of people mess up on, is this use the right colors. Now, I just kind of got it in me naturally. When I was younger, my grandmother used to teach us how to paint, and style just stuck with me. How to match right colors and things like that, just from experience. Now, I'm no expert. I struggle with some different colors, but at the end of the day, it's just all about getting the right flow. Right here, this is the brand color, but it's very fine. Way over. I think that's right. I want to make sure we got the same color. We're gonna go back here. Copy this, paste this in here, and we're done. Only problem is when I deleted that bottom block and that code widget that made the bigger, because I don't feel like going to the global styles and messing up my templates. 1400 pixels. All right, that's done. Makes it bigger. And the template is done. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a mobile enhancement, which the mobile looks pretty good. That's fine, we'll just leave that. We want some space in between these buttons there. But what we're gonna do is we're actually going to make this a full width. So what we can do, if we can just go here and then make it full width for each one, but it makes the front page full width as well, which is not fine. Which is fine because this template does work good for full width. But we don't want to do that. I got tricks that I can use. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna just make this section cell phone. We're gonna make it full width. That is a loud car. All right, all we do that. It's the same way. Grid, content. Okay. All you gotta do is width 100%. The percentage works for mobile. Pixels works for the desktop. And that should work. There, we got a full width. Because really, we don't really need that space there. I probably should have started with full width. Okay, let's say I didn't know any code at all to do that trick. How would you do that in a funnel builder? Okay, you would just do this as a column. Okay, and you would go to full width here. And you just have extra columns to align it the way you want to. But I know a lot, so we don't have to do that. And this is the funnel. So below there's gonna be a link to this page. Once I have all the content for all the episodes, we're gonna have them all in this place. We're gonna have a video that covers the best practices. Like the most thing I see people have struggle with is knowing when to use a block, knowing when to use a column, knowing when to use a H2, H3. That they're gonna have a video on that in this section. Okay, the episodes for Template Club will be here. We'd have some tool reviews here, and then some extra hacks and tricks like I showed you with the CSS will be on this page. So you can do these things if you don't know anything. You just have to copy and paste it in, do the extra stuff if you need to. You don't need to, but for me, it just helps me out and get things exactly the way I want. And here is the final design. To get access to this builder, go to funnelbuildertool.com. $25. Right now we're at episode 5, so you're gonna get 5 premium templates. There are hundreds of templates in the builder, but I want to get my templates out there because I build in a very particular way. That's kind of just more geared towards marketers. And you guys are gonna get access to 25 templates once I get done with this series for free as a bonus, just for joining up. If you guys need any kind of design work, go ahead and email me at matthew@thefunnelbuildertool.com. Whether it's just cleaning up a website like I just did here, adding in the right proper colors, I do that. Whether it's building a funnel that was built on another platform, I can bring it over here and build it on ours. Or if you need a fully custom project, like I'll show you one of the projects I've done here. Oh, that's the wrong link. Just close that down. That was loading. This is one of my latest projects done for custom job. All right, so here's another one I've done. I think he's approaching 5K with this funnel. I did everything from the graphics, styling to sales copy. And I'm happy that he's having results with something that I've done. That's very powerful, doing some work for somebody and they actually make money off of the work you actually provided for them. That's powerful. That makes me feel good about what I do. That's why I keep doing it. So that's it. See you in the next episode. We have 20 more episodes to go. Take care.